Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I found another nice deal at a local Nordstrom Rack. It's yet another pair of white Bally sneakers. This time it is the so-called French-New-O 507 sneaker. I have no clue what it is supposed to mean, but they're pretty cool looking. I did a few prior videos on Bally shoes and they are one of my favorite brands. The quality is usually outstanding, except for the Kuba sneakers though. My favorite pair are the Orianos, which are quite a few years old now. The ones I bought here look similar to the perforated ones they have out there, but these are not perforated. They have some sort of a wood trim on the back which make them look a bit more classy while still being a very cool sneaker. At first, when I wanted to unbox them, one of the electronic tags was still on there, so I had to go back and get it removed.
What the hell?
I've worn them for a couple of days now, and so far they are not as comfortable as the Orianos, but I guess that will take a bit longer. The sole is actually quite stiff and hard, whereas the other Ballys I have are more bouncy. I wonder how long I can keep them white, although for some reason my Bally shoes age so much better than, let's say, my Valentinos. Those won't stay white at all, they just attract dirt. I guess it's because the leather is of a poorer quality. Anyway, here are a few close-ups of the new Frenz Ballys in my collection. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thanks. shoe do pinch right there. I guess it's a matter of the leather becoming a little bit more flexible. I've been wearing it for 2 days now.